Jai Hind. Exponential functions graph. First is here f of x equal to a of x, a raised power x, and where a is greater than 1. This is the constant number a, where a is greater than 1. Its graph is, these are quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 quadrants. So its graph is this way. And this point on y-axis it cuts, its point is 0, 1. 0, 1. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is minus y, and here is minus x. This is 0, 1 point. And domain for this a raised to power 0 is real number. Any number we can put here in the power of a, that is called domain. And range here is r positive. R positive means every power of a power x will give us positive number. So r positive is range. Next, second exponential function is, this is one first. Second exponential function is if y equal to f of x is equal to a raised to power x where a is less than 1. In this case the graph become just similar to previous one, but its direction is opposite. It is decreasing. So 0, 1 is here and graph is decreasing in this way. And domain here is real number, and range here is plus r. Range here is plus r because every value of x, a raised to power x, will give us positive number. Third is graph is exponential, e power x. E here irrational number, and this is graph similar to a raised to power x in the case of e raised to power x, increasing function. And this function is 0, 1, where y-axis meet with this function. And domain here is real number r, and range here is r positive. So all these graphs have domain and range similar. Domain is r and range is r plus in all three graphs. Next, our function is logarithmic function. Log function. Logarithmic or log function is similar. Short name is log. Its graph is, and exponential and logarithm are just inverse or opposite to each other. Logarithm function and exponential function are reciprocal or inverse of each other. Its functions is in this way, first and fourth quadrant, and its coordinate is 1, 0, where this function meet at x-axis. And equation of logarithm function is f of x equal to log base a x, where a is greater than 1. And range here is r. It means we can put any value in the case of 0 to infinite. It means domain is 0 to infinite. Positive value we can put, and range here we can get r, real number. Here is between 0 and 1 a. Log a graph is lies in first and fourth quadrant. It goes in downward and x is increasing, and this point is 1, 0. Range in this case is r, and domain is 0, infinite. Next, our topic is trigonometric function. Trigonometric function are sin theta, cos theta. These graphs are called trigonometric function. So first one is f of x equal to sin x. Sin x. Remember, this is trigonometric function. Here range means output. It's -1 to 1. Range means value of sine in output is -1 and 1, lies between -1 and 1. And domain here is r. R means any number we can put. So domain is r. So look the graph. Suppose this is the quadrants, and this is 1 plus 1, and in the bottom there is -1. So sin theta starts from 0, goes in first quadrant, then goes in -1, then goes in +1, then -1, not below -1, +1 and -1 between lies it. So graph lies between -1 and +1. Here is also it touches with +1. This is the graph of sin theta. If this is plus 1, suppose if we want to draw the graph of f of x equal to sin 2x, so what happen in this case? Sin 2x. So what it indicate this 2? It indicates that value of this curve become double. Value of this curve become double in this case. Suppose we want to draw sin 2x graph, and this is plus 1, this is plus 2. Similarly minus 1, minus 2. Now start from 0, sin's value goes to plus 2, then